All protocols observed. Good afternoon. Good afternoon again. God is good. All the time. And all the time? Yeah, Your Excellency, we thank you for coming today to open our oncology unit. And now we're happy to report that moving forward, our cancer patients will be getting chemotherapy within the facility. And as you have directed, we will make sure that all the drugs required for these patients are available all the time. Your Excellency, also we thank you for gracing the occasion and opening the newly renovated postnatal ward for our mothers who really need a better place in this era. And moving forward, we assure you, based on your agenda and your manifesto on health, we'll make sure any mother who comes to deliver at KTRH gets a boutique service. And we look forward, Your Excellency, to getting our mother and child hospital available for us, because we are experiencing an increasing traffic of mothers and children to this facility, and therefore we need a bigger space moving forward. Your Excellency, allow me point out that at KTRH we have a staff welfare, wellness and fitness program, and the team you saw here dancing is a Zumba dance. Every day from 5 p.m. onwards, after work, our staffs go and have aerobics, dance, for purposes of keeping fit, both mentally and physically. We also have a gym for them, where from 5:30 and above, they go, and the gym is available for not only KTRH staff, but also the county staff at large. Your Excellency, we have two teams here today. For the oncology unit, we have the warriors, the cancer survivors. We have a support group for them. They meet once a month, where they really encourage themselves, share experiences for purposes of really making sure that the fight is a success. Today also we are pleased to have another support group for mothers who are pregnant for the first time or who have delivered for the first time. We also even have WhatsApp group for them, where they ask questions freely, and our healthcare workers are available to respond to all their questions. With that, Your Excellency, allow me end by introducing two teams. There is an oncology team here. Dr. Mari, Dr. Bat, you can stand and wave. Together with your team, the oncology nurses, the oncology clinic officers, you can stand and wave. Those are not all, Your Excellency, others are